she right out and said, there's more beauty in you than anyone. I remember who walks stand beside you. More to your heel, let the waves come rushing in. She took the worry from your head, but then again, she put trouble in your heart instead. Then you fall down to the ground, down to the ground. You know how it is, still more crying when you're thinking of your mother's only son. Took to your bed, you said this peace and sleep, but you dream of love instead. Oh, the heartache you'll find can bring more pain than a blistering sun. But oh, when you fall, oh, when you fall at my door. To the ground, down to the ground, down to the ground. You know how it is, still more crying when you're thinking of your mother's only son. Took to your bed, you said this peace and sleep, but you dream of love instead. But oh, when you fall, at my door.
Let's do this. But it wouldn't be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. You see, man made the cars to take us over the road. Man made the trains to carry the heavy load. And man made the electric light to take us out of the dark. And man made boats for the water, just like Noah made the ark. Well, this is a man's world. a baby boy. Man keeps them happy, 'cause man makes them toys. And after man does everything that he can, man makes some money so he can buy from other men.
Crickets are chirping, the water is high. There's a song, cotton breeze on the line, hanging dry. The windows wide open, African trees bent over backwards from a hurricane breeze. Not a word of goodbye, not even a note. She gone with the man in the long black coat. Somebody seen him hanging around at the old dance hall on the outskirts of town. He looked into her eyes when she stopped him to ask if he wanted to dance. He had a face like a mask. Somebody said from the Bible he quoted, there was dust on the man in the long black coat. Preacher was a-talking, there's a sermon he gave. He said every man's conscience is vile and depraved. You cannot depend on it to be your guide when it's you who must keep it satisfied. It ain't easy to swallow, it sticks in the throat to give her heart to the man in a long black coat. There are no mistakes in life, some people say, and it's true sometimes. You can see it that way. But people don't live or die, people just float. She went with the man in a long black coat. There's smoke on the water, it's up in there since June. Tree trunks uprooted beneath the high crescent moon. Feel the pulse and vibration and the rumbling force. Somebody is out there beating on a dead horse. She never said nothing, there was nothing she wrote. She gone with the man in the long black coat.